This is how you can make it. This is a blended ginger, and you drink it with a smoothie. When you drink it with a smoothie, it's gonna stop all those snoring that people you can see. You can't sleep with anybody that snore together. You can't sleep with a person. In case if you don't know what is snoring, is when person sleep, he begin to do. So after blending it, see, this smoothie is good. It's good for you, so that in case if you are always snore every night, make sure you blend this cucumber and watermelon, mix the two together and blend it together. It will come out like this. Drink it every night, every evening before going to bed, and you will not snore again. It will stop you from snoring every time. Too much of snore cannot allow your partner to sleep very well in the night. That's the bad side of it. Because, for example, let me show you now. If you are doing your wife or your husband will not sleep. So it's better you take care of yourself by taking this drink every night before going to bed, so that you will be very, very comfortable. Your partner will be also very, very comfortable to sleep very well after this activity. So viewers, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can update you for more video like this. Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure you subscribe. Please kindly do me a favor. I need your subscribe, and I also need your thumbs up. I need your comments. Bye.